Good morning everyone. This is Ajit Khare from grade 6. I am going to tell you today's day and date. The day is Monday. The date is 23rd June 2025. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Webamada from grade 6. Every Monday we observe Motivational Monday. So, on behalf of it, I am going to share a thought. Inspiration comes from within yourself. One has to be positive. When you are positive, good things happen. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Garganal Patil from grade 6.
I am Swaranu Pargunde from grade 6.
My name is Rudrali Shivajirite from grade 6.
This is Payal Abhirachan Vire from grade 6.
We are going to tell you the importance of the day. Today we are observing International Olympic Day. It is observed on June 23rd every year and honors the founding of modern Olympic game in 1894.
Olympics was started in 1948. This day was created by the International Olympic Committee and celebrates the revival of the Olympic Games by Pierre de Coubertin.
The Olympic symbol include Olympic rings representing 5 continents united. The Olympic torch in the symbol of peace and friendship. Its motto is faster, higher, stronger together. Now you all might be wondering why does it even matter? It matters to promotes health and fitness. Do not promote health and fitness, but also bring people of every culture together.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to inspire everyone to stay active and live the Olympic spirit and honor Olympic Day by encouraging teamwork and healthy living.
Wishing you a day
Full of energy, teamwork and true Olympic spirit. Thank you.